Hi, my name is Eli and I'm 7.5.
Hi, my name is Ellie and I'm 6.
We are the Organized Kids.
We're going to show you
what things you have to do before bed. First, you have to brush your teeth. If you have to take a bath or a shower, you may do it before you brush your teeth. And then you get your pajamas on, and then you go to bed. Those are the things that we have to do before bed.
So, when I take a bath or a shower, I have to brush my hair, and we have to get everything. Our body, our hair, and our body wash. First, I gotta take a shower, brush my teeth, floss, go to the bathroom, read books, go to bed.
Those are the things you have to learn about what you do before bed.